In 2011, the Minnehaha Creek Watershed District purchased a 17-acre industrial site in Hopkins, nestled between Minnehaha Creek, the newly rebuilt Blake Road, the future light rail, and a regional bike trail. Gazing past the old warehouse to the banks of the Minnehaha Creek, where it had been hidden for decades, the Watershed District saw a rare and exciting opportunity, a chance to create a place where people and nature could thrive together. The 325 Blake Road restoration and redevelopment is an effort to marry two sets of goals. The restoration effort will use 4 to 6 acres of the site to improve and create access to Minnehaha Creek. On the remaining land, the Watershed District and City of Hopkins are working to find a redevelopment partner who will transform the site into a new neighborhood that celebrates these environmental enhancements and contributes to the social fabric of the community. These goals were developed through years of discussion with residents, businesses, and community institutions. The result will be a unique community asset, a place to relax in nature, connect with community, and get where you want to go. First, let's take a step back. What's so special about the work at 325 Blake Road? Like much of Minnehaha Creek in this area, in decades past, this stretch was ditched and hidden behind industrial buildings. The project will reconnect the community to this hidden gem and use natural features to treat polluted stormwater from the surrounding region. It also completes a key link in the Minnehaha Creek Greenway, a system of green space and trails through places like Cottageville Park, the Minnehaha Creek Preserve, and Methodist Hospital campus. The site also connects to the broader region via the Green Line Extension Light Rail and Cedar Lake Regional Trail that run through the western suburbs to downtown Minneapolis and beyond. Finally, potential redevelopment in the remainder of the site will tie these elements together to create a vibrant new neighborhood, making it a welcoming place where people might live, work, or shop. So, how do we get from vision to reality? The first steps began in 2018 when the Watershed District demolished the old warehouse. Now, the Watershed District is gathering ideas from the community as it plans improvements to restore the area along the creek with a survey, listening session, and public meeting. The Watershed District and City of Hopkins have also begun to search for a private development partner. Once selected, the partners will seek additional community involvement to guide the redevelopment process. This project has always been and will continue to be guided by community input. We want to hear from you every step of the way. Visit minnehahacreek.org/325 to learn more about the project and how to get involved.